Hi guys, I'm going to show you a really quick recipe on how to make your own foaming body soap, and this one's especially good for kids with skin issues. So welcome to my tiny well-used kitchen. You're going to need a few things. You will need an empty foaming soap container, so any will do. I'm using an empty thieves container, so get to reuse things instead of throwing it out in the recycling or the trash. You want to get yourself some vitamin E, some sweet almond oil, liquid glycerine, and also some organic Castile liquid soap. The first thing we're going to put in is we're going to put in some Castile organic liquid soap, and we're going to put in 2 tablespoons for a 250 ml bottle. Next we're going to add the glycerine. Now this is an optional product put in, but it does make it a little bit thicker and better when it comes to the foam. So you want 1 tablespoon of glycerine. Next we're going to add some sweet almond oil, and we're going to add 2 teaspoons of this. Next we're going to add some vitamin E. Now vitamin E is also optional and it is quite expensive, but it is excellent on the skin. So with vitamin E we're just going to add just 1 teaspoon. Lastly we're going to add 10 drops of essential oils. I prefer to use Young Living oils because of the excellent quality and because they're seed to seal, so you really can't get any better than that. I'm going to add 5 drops of lavender, 3 drops of lemon, you could also use an orange, and 2 drops of thieves. Last thing we're going to add is just good old filtered water. So we have a filter on our house system, and you just simply fill up the bottle, pop on the lid, give it a bit of a shake, and then here we have our great foaming hand soap. So this is a great alternative to people that want to use a non-irritating soap, especially useful with our small children, because obviously you're the gatekeeper on what goes into their bodies, and I just realised my hair was sticking up, and there's a lot of nasties in regular soaps. So this is a great alternative, easy to make, takes less than 5 minutes. The ingredients are easy to obtain. If you want to know where to get some of those base products, send me a message. If you're in the southwest, I do carry some stock here that I'm happy to hook you up with. Otherwise you can get it from Range Products in Perth. Additionally, the essential oils, I'll be happy to point you in the right direction on how to get those as well. Good health to you.